empty. Nobody's there for miles.
Where?
The old Plainsong house?
This pool could be the find of the summer, yo.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah!
Fine.
There was this guy named Ernest Plainsong. Ernest told the teenagers that he needed to do the work of God.
Ernest, you and all of his followers murdered
You guys are making this shit up.
No. Goddamn stories about everything. The boogeyman. None of it is true, yo.
Guys.
Holy shit.
Is this it? The Plainsong farm? Is there really a pool out here?
Find of the century.
Holy shit! Did you see that?
What are you talking about?
You wanna go find him?
Yeah?
Hate to burst your bubble, man, but we're not gonna find anything.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is crazy.
Somebody here told the wires out of the van.
It's going to get dark. I need to find Joey.
Joey!
He's here.
What's wrong with her? We need to get rid of the